Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing something a little bit different. Silk press but with a twist. If y'all are anything like me when it comes to wanting to wear your natural hair but you just wish it was a little bit thicker, then this video is definitely for you. Without further ado, let's get into the video. Now that my hair is washed, I'm going to go ahead and divide this into 4 sections. I'm going to apply the leave-in conditioner, the chai heat protection, and the chai silk infusion.
This is how it's looking after I put the heat protected, the leave-in conditioner, and the silk infusion in it. And after this state, I'll blow dry it. I think this is the flattest I'm gonna be able to get my hair as far as the blow dryer is concerned. So I'm about to go ahead and flat iron it. I don't want to put, what am I trying to say? I'm not gonna put anything in my hair to flat iron it other than what I've already done before I blow dried it. The blow dryer that I use, if you guys wanted to know, I think it's Kiss. I think I done rubbed off the name off of this. I think it's Kiss though. I don't see a name on it, but I am 90% sure it's Kiss. I really like it. I've had it for years. And as far as the flat iron that I'm going to use, it is Infinite Pro by Conair. Hopefully you guys can see it. And normally I'll use it at the highest setting. I think it could go up to 455. So yes, I use it at the highest setting. I normally do 1 or 2 passes through my hair, but I'm going to take you guys through that process. And yeah, that's about it. Nothing too extra because, again, I'm not a hairdresser, so. This is the blow dry side. This is the flat iron side. And again, like I said, I'm going to go over this part one more time. But whatever you guys see me do in the last 2 rows, that's what I'm going to be doing for all my heads. So I'm going to come back when I'm all done. So I'm done going over my hair for the first time. This is how it looked with 2 passes per section. So remember the afro that I had? This is what I mean when I say my hair is real thin. And especially for the front part, it doesn't help that my edges are so thin or just like barely there. I thought my hair was 1B. Apparently it's 1. I didn't know I had jet black hair. Well, black hair. I thought it was like semi-brown. I don't know how well this is going to blend in with the lighting right now. I'm sure it looks like it's blended in. But this one is a little bit browner than mine. And as far as the length, I ordered a 14-inch. Certain areas where I put it, it might be perfect length. Other areas, my hair might be a little bit longer, maybe ½ an inch longer, but I'm gonna bump the end so it should be fine. Also, before I forget, what was I gonna say? Bless me. Remember I said how I'm gonna go over my hair one more time with the flat iron so that it could be straight. As you can see, this hair kind of has a little like curl to it. I'm gonna go over it one more time with the flat iron when this is already in. So that means I don't want to have to like straighten my hair like 2 more times. One before this goes in and then after. So I'm just gonna put these in and straighten it the final time with these in. This pack came in with 20 pieces. I ordered 2 packs. Like I said, I didn't want length. I just want a little bit of body because Like this is fine, and I've worn it like this before, but I want a little bit more body. So hopefully the 40 pieces will do. Maybe I probably won't even use all of them. Like my hair is real thin. Apparently, you have to put one piece on your hair like this and then sandwich it like this with your hair in the middle. I literally have like a permanent middle part. Can y'all see it right here? Because I keep parting my hair in the middle so much. So you're not supposed to put it on your scalp because it's not going to be able to like flip up and down. You're supposed to put it like a little bit down. So I'm going to put it somewhere here and not all the way here because I don't want the tape-ins to show when my hair is not down. So I'm going to put it about here and here. It will give me some type of length. As far as what stays, anything that's not on the tape, don't manipulate it. Don't try to put more up that's not on the tape because then it won't stick properly. And for the second one, basically you're just going to mirror it. You're going to put it on the opposite side where the tape is at. So remember how I was saying how 14 inches was 14 inches is great for like the top of my head to down my, you know, from the top of my head to going down. However, I might have to cut it, which is fine. I wanted to cut my natural hair as well. This part, I don't like the fact that it's like that. So I'm gonna even it out. The last time I cut my hair, I actually chopped up the ends. Let's not do that today. I'm gonna have to probably try to do the front first, see how I want it to fall in my face. And also, I only have 40 pieces and I don't know how many I'm gonna need at the front for it to look somewhat decent, so I'm gonna actually do the front first. So this is how I want it to fall, like that. So this is the part that's not going to be in the tape. Now I'm going to just kind of comb it down to see how and where I want to lay the tapes before the back of my head is done and the front is not. And I want everything to be done today. So look at the lid. It's pretty cute. I like it. I like it a lot. Damn, I did 10 already. I got to do this one now. Luckily, I started at the front because I will be damned if I actually got to the front and I have no more tapes. Y'all see how this part is lifting? This is the part that's coming up with the tape, so that's the only part I'm gonna put up. The rest stays down. Alright, that's how the front is looking.
think it's gonna come out good. Let's hope that I don't have to keep on going over my head with the flat iron every day, because Florida heat is trying to be disrespectful. But so far, I like it. I think it's gonna come out great. This is how it's looking. I don't hate it. I really don't hate it. However, do I want a little bit more in there? Not really. And I've only used 20, maybe 30 pieces so far. I'm gonna pull this out because I really want to see how it looks and where do I need to put more. And hopefully I don't need to put any more and I'm satisfied with the way how it looks. Let's see. I like it. Once I straighten the hair again so that everything could blend in, I think I got what I wanted. A bust down with a little bit of body and no lace. Oh, I hate the lace. Okay, let's check for tapes. No tape. No tape. And it has body. If anything, I would say maybe I need some lace like here. Not lace, tape here, so that it could have a volume at the front as well. Let me see, like right here. That way it would look seamless. However, I'm scared to put tape at the front of my hair, like my edges. My edges. Actually, I'm gonna risk it. It's tape, right?
I've added it, and I think it looks way better.
Let's straighten this hair. It shouldn't take long because it's just one pass through. And let's see how the final product looks. There's no specific sectioning how I'm going to do it. I'm just grabbing what I could get. Since this is the final go through, I'm gonna bump the ends just because I want it to look a little bit sensible. And I said I was gonna clip the ends, but the end is not as thin as I expected it to be, so I'm just gonna leave it how it is. The last thing I added was a Biosilk Therapy Light. It's just oil. I feel like it allows my silk press to last longer. And again, since this hair is like a different texture from my hair, unless it's like flat iron, I have to seal it in. Let's see how long it lasts. But this is the end of the video. I have to tip because I want y'all to see the full thing. If you guys like this video, please go ahead and like. Please go ahead and subscribe, and let me know what y'all want to see next in the comments.